Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to do X-ray search on LinkedIn. This is an incredibly powerful technique that allows you to search for specific professionals on LinkedIn using Google's advanced search capabilities, bypassing some of LinkedIn's built-in search limitations. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com. This might seem like an unusual starting point for a LinkedIn search, but trust me, using Google's search engine gives you much more flexibility and precision when hunting for specific profiles or candidates. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll see the familiar search bar front and center. This is where the magic happens. In the search bar, type in linkedin.com/in. This specific command tells Google to only show results from LinkedIn profile URLs, which is the foundation of the X-ray search technique. It's essentially filtering the entire internet down to just LinkedIn profiles. Now comes the customization part, where you can really tailor your search to find exactly who you're looking for. After that initial command, you'll want to input your search criteria. For example, let's say you're looking for software engineers who use Gmail. You would type in open parentheses software engineer close parentheses space open parentheses gmail.com close parentheses. This combination searches for LinkedIn profiles that mention software engineer and have Gmail addresses associated with them. Hit enter and watch as Google presents you with results that match your specific criteria. You'll see a list of LinkedIn profiles that relate to your search terms, giving you direct access to potential candidates or connections that fit your exact requirements. This method is particularly useful for recruiters, sales professionals, or anyone looking to network with specific types of professionals. The beauty of this technique is its flexibility. You can easily modify your search parameters to get different results. For instance, if you want to find software engineers who work at Microsoft instead, simply go back to the search bar and change gmail.com to Microsoft. Keep everything else the same, just swap out that one parameter. Press enter again and you'll immediately see a new set of results, this time showing LinkedIn profiles of software engineers associated with Microsoft. This adaptability makes X-ray searching incredibly powerful for targeted professional searches. And that's it. You've now learned how to leverage Google's search capabilities to perform X-ray searches on LinkedIn, giving you a much more refined and flexible way to find exactly the professionals you're looking for. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.